So how can you transfer a large 4K video from iPhone to a laptop? So let me show you some options that we have available. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, when you go to the Photos app of your iPhone and locate some video on your device, you can swipe up on it to just check out the situation about the size and resolution. So you want to make sure that we are working with the proper file, but it now depends on which type of computer you have, because naturally if you have like a Mac or Apple computer, you can always click on a share and use the AirDrop, which will transfer even at the large 4K file over the air, and it's going to get the job done very nicely. But if you're working, for example, with a Windows PC, there are some other options. There are two favorite ones which I like to use. The first one is using an external SSD or some sort of external storage. So for example, I have the SSD drive, which I'm going to connect to my iPhone through the actual cable. I'm going to connect it to the USB-C of my phone, as well as the USB-C on that SSD. I'm going to wait for it to be recognized, and then I can check out the Files app and see if it's actually been recognized by the device. So it should appear to be part of the locations right there. So once it is, I can then go to the Photos app, locate that large video, tap on a share, and I'm going to click on a save to files. And from the locations, I'm going to select the external storage, which, as I said, might be an external SSD or external SD card connected to the phone, whatever. And I'm going to paste it right there. And then naturally, I'm going to connect the very same external storage to my laptop, and I can transfer the video right here. So that would work very well. And the other option, which is also my favorite, is by using a cloud storage. For example, something like the Google Drive, which just lets me upload it to the platform and then access it by signing in with the same account on the laptop, and I would have the same access to the video, right? So it would work. It would not compress the file because I'm uploading the whole thing to the cloud as well as to the external SSD if I go with that option. And so, these are the two favorite options of mine. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Most definitely subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials like this one. And I'm going to catch you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.